Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on Huawei Nova 11 Pro. And to do this we'll need to locate the SIM slot first, and it's right here on the bottom. Now we need to remove the case, take the SIM needle or SIM ejection tool, however you call it, and stick it inside this gap. This should release a slot, and inside we can find one SIM slot on the one side and another one on the other side, which confirms that this device does have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.